concerning TRT and administration routes. Which
Mm.
do you prefer? Also, the injections and the creams, like many other of the guests
Yeah.
on my channel,
Yeah.
at least?
It's a great question. I would say in my clinic alone, it's probably almost evenly split. I almost always when I bring up and injections and creams are by far my two favorite options. If I bring them up, I'm almost always asking the patient which one struck you as something that you would do. If you're afraid of needles, but everybody says you should do it that way, maybe let's not. Maybe let's start with creams. I just need you to do it. I want you to be successful. It's like working out. I mean, I could tell you that weightlifting has all these amazing facts and studies and truths, but at the end of the day, if you like yoga or swimming, I'd prefer you to do something. So, but I personally, if I had a gun to my head, Stephen, I would choose creams and topical gels. They're unbelievably fantastic. And by the way, you've been a huge advocate for that, which I'm very appreciative of. And many of my patients, they'll start with injections. I'll tell them, hey, in about 4 or 5 months, the novelty will wear off. And almost always are asking, can you tell me a little bit more about the creams and gels again? They've just been phenomenal in my practice. I really do love, just to hit on that too. I find a lot of my patients seem to benefit. And again, this is anecdotal, but they seem to benefit more from the topical creams in terms of the DHT or dihydrotestosterone ratio to testosterone. So dihydrotestosterone, in some weird way, I almost compare it to like progesterone, but for men. It has a calming effect on the central nervous system, which is really fascinating, much like progesterone does for females. So, I actually occasionally will sometimes opt for that if I feel like a patient is, maybe a little bit more anxious or something to that effect.
Mm-hmm. I heard you mention gels as well. I don't suppose you recommend 1% gels to slather all over the shoulders, no?
Sorry, I should clarify. Compounded creams and gels, not the androgels or testogels, not the
Okay.
crud I would say you would get from a retail pharmacy. So,
Yeah.
I particularly use a product, at least here in the United States. I know Atrevis is one of those products. I think there's a slightly better product. It's made by a company called Mediska here, but it's an HRT gel, and it's fantastic. It has a little bit of a liposomal action to it. So it's almost kind of a combination close to a liposomal cream and a HRT gel, and they're kind of mushing it together. And that has just been phenomenal for my patients to a transcranial application.